Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Griselle, and today we're gonna be doing this really fun bronzy glowy makeup look. It's really effortless, and yeah, so without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Woo! Okay guys, so let's get started with today's makeup look. I'm first gonna put my headband on, just so we can take all the hairs away from my face. Oh damn, I look ugly, damn. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. The first thing we're doing is priming, and today we're gonna be using the Mark face phone. Please, not today phone. Okay, so today we're gonna use Avon. It's their Mark collection, and it's their face perfector primer cream. So we're gonna use this to prime our face, and it looks like a cream. I haven't used it in a while, so I don't remember how I like it. Well, it smells strong, like chemically. Hopefully this works and doesn't break me out. So now I'm gonna grab, this is so dirty, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna grab my Temp2 shimmer bronzer, and it looks like this. It's really dirty because I use it a lot, and I'm just gonna put this on my hands and put it all over my face. Oh, you guys see that glow? Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more, because why not? Oh, I'm just gonna tap it in. And today we're gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in 108 Caramel Beige. And we're just gonna tap it in our face. And our forehead, and then some on my chin. And we're just gonna blend it out with one of the spoon brushes. You know the drill with that. And we're just gonna blend it in. So now I'm gonna do concealer, and I'm grabbing my Instant Nature Wine in the color Fair. And I'm just dabbing that under my eyes. And then with the smaller spoon brush, I'm just blending that in. Okay, so I'm done with concealer. Now I'm gonna, oh my god, my under eyes look really bright. Like big time. Anyways, okay, so now to set and contour, I'm just gonna be grabbing my Sephora contour palette, and to set my under eyes, I'm just gonna grab the peachy shade and my pointed blush brush, and I'm just grabbing that color, really packing the brush, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes. Okay, so now that our face is set, we're gonna move on to contouring and bronzing. And I'm just gonna be mixing, I think I'm just gonna first use this shade, the warmest light one, and I'm just gonna go from there and see what, oh, and I'm using my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. We're just gonna use that one and go from there. So I'm gonna be grabbing actually the deepest shade. I'm just gonna get a little bit of that, and hopefully it will make me look tanner. Okay guys, so let's move on to blush. For blush today, we're gonna be using the All Over the Face Bronze Pearls from Avon. And they look like this. Let me take the little sponge. They look like small bronzy pearls. So we're gonna be using that with the brush. It doesn't have any name, but any brush works. And we're just gonna grab that. And put it where we usually put blush. Then I'm gonna be grabbing some powder, just so we can clean up a little. We're grabbing the yellow banana shade, the one in the middle. We're gonna load our brush with this, and then we're just gonna clean the edges, just so it doesn't look that muddy. Now moving on to eyebrows, we're gonna be using the Ofra eyebrow in Universal. This is what it looks like, and we're just gonna use this to shape our brows and fill them in. And this pencil is really creamy and really pigmented, so. And then for the front, like I said before, we're just gonna do hair-like strokes. Okay, so now that we have our brows done, I'm gonna be grabbing the eyebrow defining gel by Sheila. And it looks like this, and we're just gonna grab this to set our eyebrows. Okay, so now we have eyebrows done. We're gonna move on to eyes. And for eyes, we're gonna be doing something really simple. We're gonna be using this trio. We're gonna be using this trio eyeshadow palette by Three's Company. Oh, it's actually by Ivy Beauty. And it looks like this. And we're just gonna be using that for our eyeshadow today. We're gonna first grab this last shade for our transition color, tapping the excess, and then we're gonna put that all over our crease. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I was using this fluffy brush, and then we're grabbing that middle shade, which is like a golden color, and we're using this e.l.f. Professional eyeshadow brush, and we're just gonna pack that on our lid. And then, like always, we're gonna use some setting spray just to intensify the color. We're grabbing a little more, and then spraying it, and then spraying it with some Cover FX illuminating setting spray. Then we're just gonna put that on our lid again. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab this Modern Minerals Your Gorgeous brush, and grabbing the first shade to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. Okay guys, so that's the eyes done. Now I'm gonna go put some eyeliner on and some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with eyelashes and eyeliner done. Now we're gonna move on to the rest of the face. I think the only thing we have left on the face is the highlighter. And for highlighter today, we're gonna be using my Becca highlighter in Prosecco Pop. Oh my god, I'm opening it the wrong way. And it looks like this. I broke it the other day, so but hopefully it still works. So I'm just gonna grab a little of this. We're just gonna put it on our high points. Can you guys see the blinding highlight? Then with this brush again, the Modern Minerals Your Gorgeous brush, I'm just gonna grab some just to put it on my nose. Oh my god, yes. Looks beautiful. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Okay, to finish the face, we're gonna be using the Cover FX illuminating setting spray, and we're just gonna spritz that all over my face. Okay, so the last thing we have left to do is our lips. And for lip liner today, we're gonna be using the Clean Color in the color Natural, and it looks like this. And we're just gonna lip line our lips with this. Okay, and for lipstick, we're gonna be using our MAC lipstick in the color Whirl. And we're just gonna apply that to the lips. And to add some gloss, we're gonna be using the Cargo Cosmetics in the color Umbria. Just gonna put that on our lips. Oh my god! Why am I always dropping everything? And it's this really gorgeous, like, nudish gloss. It's so pretty. Okay guys, so that's it for today's makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what other videos you'd like to see from me. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll be responding to everyone's comments. So yeah guys, go give me all the love you want and I'll be responding. Yeah guys, until next time, bye, love you.